let us do construction of 75-degree angle. Now, what is 75 degree? 75 degree, this angle lies between 60 degree and 90 degree. So it means it is the bisection of 60 degree and 90 degree. So this is a bisection of 60 degree and 90 degree. So we can write down as 60 plus 90 by 2. 60 plus 90 is 150. 150 by 2 comes out to be 75 degree. It means we have to bisect the angle of 60 and 90. So let us draw it 75 degree. First of all, we will draw the horizontal line for it. Draw a horizontal line with the scale. Mark the point where you have to start. Now open your compass a little bit. No need to measure the compass. Draw the half circle. Now where your half circle and the line meeting, mark the point over here. Put the compass at that point. Draw the arc of 60 degree. Mark the arc of 60 degree. Put the compass on 60 degree and mark 120. Now before making the angle of 75, you have to make 60 and 90. 60 is arc you have made here, but we have to make 90 degree also. So we know 90 degree, the angle 90 degree is bisection of 60 and 120 degree that we have done earlier. So first of all, we will make 90 degree over here. So let us bisect these two angles, 60 and 120. So mark the arc from 60 and then mark the arc from 120. Now mark this point and join this point with the scale. Put the scale over here and then join it. Now after joining it, check it out. This is your 90 degree. Mark this point over here. This is your 90. This is 60. Now you have to bisect these two angles to find out 75 degree. So now we will mark an arc from 60 and then from 90. Now these two arcs are meeting at this point. Now join this point with the scale and this angle will be your 75 degree. Let us join it. So after joining it, you will get this angle 75 degree from this. You can check this angle with the help of protractor also, whether these are correct or not. Put the center of the D at this starting point and check whether your angles are correct or not. Check it out. We are getting 90 degree at 90 degree and 75 degree also. So you can try these angles and keep in your mind that 75 is the bisection of 60 and 90 and 90 degree is the bisection of 60 and 120. और bisection कैसे करनी है? You have to mark the arcs from both the angles where they are meeting. That will be your angle. Now you can do the shading over here to show that this is your 75 degree. Let me do the shading for this, so that you can understand from where the 75 degree angle is there. तो इसको अच्छे से शेड कर लेते हैं. So from 0, ये 0 है और ये हमारा 75 degree. ठीक है. So write down here 75 degree. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much.